Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing an ultimate clean and organize with me. I have a couple of areas in my home that need a little bit of organization, mostly just to do with Holden's toys, of course, because as we all know, kids' toys can get out of control. So we're going to be gaining a lot of motivation from that today. And I also want to mention really quickly that today's video is in collaboration with another YouTube mama, a friend that I've met here on YouTube pretty recently, Raluca from Not Just a Mom. She has an amazing channel. She does so much cleaning motivation over there, and she is mama as well. And what's really cool is that she's from the UK. I've met so many cool people here on YouTube from the UK, and that is just like amazing to me. It's just so cool when YouTube can bring two people from different sides of the world together. But anyways, so yeah, definitely go and head over to her channel and check her out after you're done with today's video. And we are just going to get right on into my video in a second here, and we are going to be starting, of course, in the kitchen. That's where I typically like to start, and as you can see, I have a huge mess here, so we're going to be cleaning everything off of the countertops and just getting the kitchen squared away before we move on to any other rooms. I also want to say quickly that if you are coming over here from Raluca's channel, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have just recently hit 1,000 subscribers, so I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and that will be happening probably on Sunday, so you definitely still have a chance to go and enter that. So all you need to do for that is go to my last video, which is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway announcement, and head over to my Instagram and follow me over there, and you will be entered in to win a $50 Amazon gift card. So anyways, I'm just going to let you guys get some cleaning motivation here. As you can see, like I said, we're in the kitchen and we've got most of the countertops cleared off, and now I'm just going to wipe them all down before I unload the dishwasher. Not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. I want it falls to wash me. The wicked drown in water, let go wicked water. You wicked drown in water. So I would love to know, what is one of your guys' least favorite chores? Mine is quickly becoming unloading the dishwasher, and I'm finding myself just not wanting to do it. And typically, like, I don't know if it's the change of the season or what's been going on, but I usually have a pretty good nighttime cleaning routine that I have not been following at all this past probably week or so. We have been outside so much. We're trying to get our backyard in like perfect condition. We're doing so much out there as far as landscaping and everything goes. So we've been outside a lot, and I just have zero patience for the inside of my home. So the inside of my home is starting to get a little bit crazy. I'm gonna have to do a pretty good cleaning video here for you guys pretty soon. But I've been finding that once I'm done outside all day, I don't want anything to do with cleaning when I'm back inside. And typically what I always would do in my evening cleaning routine is I would, like, after supper, clean up the kitchen and get a load of dishes going in the dishwasher, and then that way in the morning I have a load that's ready to unload. But lately I have not been wanting to do that at all, so I've been like kind of procrastinating it. So I've not been cleaning up, like doing the dishes at night. I've been waiting until the next morning and then doing it, but then it kind of messes me up because then I have a load going throughout the day, and then I have to unload it at supper time while I'm making supper, and I just like don't feel like doing that by the end of the day, so I just leave it in there, and then the whole cycle continues, and then I have to just continue doing dishes during the day, and it makes no sense. So I need to get back onto my little routine that I had there for like a long time. I don't know what is going on with me that suddenly I don't want to do that anymore. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what is your least favorite chore?
When we fall, we get up and go, baby. The way they think is paradoxical. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go. Even if you lose your hope, I will be there to pick you up. Even if you can't let go, I'll untie the invisible ropes that keep you down. I'm taking
Oh my goodness, you guys, I just feel as though this kitchen is never going to be clean. It just keeps going on and on and on. But now we are going to be moving on into the dining area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the floor. So I'm picking up anything that might be on the floor, and I'm just going to do the mopping and the vacuuming. And typically when I mop, I use my steam mop. But I had a couple of squares of the Swiffer wet mop stuff. Wow, I can really do amazing things with this voiceover today. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. It is early when I'm recording this, so I will just say that and give myself somewhat of an excuse. But anyways, I had a couple of those pads left, and they were just sitting there, and I hadn't used them in forever, so I thought I'm just going to use them up, and then that way I can throw it away and have a little bit more space underneath my cabinet. So I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum with my Dyson, and then we're going to just use those little Swiffer pads and get a quick mop on.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is.
Okay guys, so now we're going to move on into the living room, and like I always say, these pillows and these blankets are just always the bane of my existence. It seems every single day we end up like pulling out all these blankets, and I end up having to put them all back the next day because we like to be cozy, of course, in the evening, but yeah, when you're trying to keep a nice home, like blankets just strung all about the whole room is not really the way to go. So I'm always putting those back all the time. And then Holden has a ton of toys out. It was just his birthday on May 1st. He turned 3 years old. So he got a ton of new toys. So they are just everywhere. And he got this huge Thomas the Train track thing, and oh my gosh, like my whole living room is just trains. You guys will see it here in a minute. But so I was trying to kind of like organize them as best as I could, and he got some new Lego as well. So I realized that I needed kind of like a new Lego system. So we're just going to go through in a minute here, you guys will see, and we're going to organize the toys a little bit. I have these toy bins, and I wanted to get out all of his like Paw Patrol toys and put those all in one spot, and get all his Legos out and put them all in one spot. So we're going to do that here in a second. So now, like I said, I've just got a little bin specifically for Legos, and I'm gonna start separating between like the larger Duplo Legos and the smaller ones, because now he started getting some of the smaller ones. So I just want to kind of separate them because you can't put them together. So I'm going to separate those out as well, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down all the counters in this area from all of the little tables with my Miss Myers all-purpose spray.
I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me.
Okay, so now I'm just going to get my vacuum, and I'm going to try and get in all of these little grooves here with this train track, because of course there's like food and everything from his snacks all in between there, because why not? And I'm just going to hit the living room with the vacuum. So like I said, what I'm trying to do with these toy bins is just go through and find all of his Paw Patrol toys, because he did get a couple more Paw Patrol toys for his birthday as well. So I'm trying to go through and find all the ones that he already has and just put them in a separate bin, so that way he has a bin specifically for the Paw Patrol toys, because now he has quite a few of them.
It's torn up, give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.
Okay, and now we're moving back into the dining room, and I need to clear off this table. So that huge bin that I just took away is extra tracks for his train tracks, so we're going to take that downstairs. And a lot of this stuff is just stuff that needs to kind of go outside. We've got our little garden started, and just like stuff for the garden and stuff for outside. We've got like some weed killer and all that kind of stuff. So it did not need to be sitting on the kitchen table, so I just moved most of it outside. And like we've got like stain and stuff like that. This area is such a catch-all for me. Let me know in the comments down below what area in your home becomes the catch-all, because mine is definitely the kitchen table for sure.
Looking me over
Okay, and last but not least, we're going to be moving into Holden's room. His room had kind of looked like a bomb went off, as most toddlers' rooms typically do. But I had this little deer head on the wall, and Holden had knocked it off while I was getting him changed the night before. So I wanted to fix that really quickly, and then I just wanted to do a general tidy up. There's just kind of like stuff strewn about all over the place. We had like some laundry on the floor that needed to be picked up and all that kind of thing, and of course toys, because it's never ending. So, and books all over the place all the time. And it's just amazing, like kids just have this uncanny ability to just like make a huge mess. Even like you just cleaned and they literally come behind you and they're like a little tornado, and I don't understand how they are so small and they make such a big mess. It is crazy to me.
Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never.
All right, you guys, so we are starting to near the end of the video, so I did want to say make sure that you go and check out Raluca's channel over at Not Just a Mom. Tell her that I sent you and go and subscribe to her and watch her videos. She has a ton of cleaning motivation over there as well. And once again, if you are new and coming over from Raluca's channel, I would love to have you here with us. We do a ton of cleaning motivation over here as well as some law of attraction stuff. Like we talk about all different sorts of things on this channel. But yeah, and make sure you go and enter my giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. I would love to give somebody a special little present for subscribing to my channel, a $50 Amazon gift card. Anyways, you guys, I hope that I was able to provide you with some cleaning motivation today. Let me know in the comments down below if I did. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.